In this video, let's explore the untold stories behind the massive flames and the brave firefighters who put their lives at risk to save others. Let's get started.
Stay there, buddy. Come on, come on. Hey, bud.
An apartment in the Park Slope area of Brooklyn caught fire at 6 a.m. on June 20, 2023.
4-8, reporting people trapped on the fourth floor. We loaded up your box.
Upon arriving at 349 16th Street, firefighters discovered flames coming from the kitchen of the fourth floor apartment. When the fire blocked the emergency exit, the man inside attempted to escape through the window and climb to the neighboring building. Firefighter Patrick Gale carried out a rope rescue, reaching the victim and safely bringing him down to the ground. The man sustained only minor injuries and received medical care.
You have EMS come to the fire building. We have the 1045.
At around 10 a.m. on January 23, 2025, firefighters rescued a drowning man from the Brussels Canal. Divers at the scene quickly located the victim and carried out the rescue immediately. The man was brought to safety to shore and transported to a medical center for treatment. According to the fire department, this was not an act of self-harm, but merely an unfortunate accident. On April 25, 2023, police in Kenosha, Wisconsin, bravely rescued a man from a burning vehicle. Earlier, they had spotted a car driving on the road with a flat tire, creating dangerous sparks. Despite police signals to stop, the driver continued until flames erupted. Immediately, the officers sprang into action, pulling the man to safety just before the fire engulfed the vehicle.
Hey, buddy. Stay there, buddy. Come on, come on. Hey, bud. Stay back. Stay back. Where's the wire? Where's the wire? Where's the... Come here.
In the early morning of September 9, 2022, two police officers in Warren, Michigan, rescued a boy who had been electrocuted.
Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Watch it. Yeah. You there, buddy?
Oh, he's still breathing.
Hey, buddy. Stay there, buddy. Come on, come on. Hey, bud.
When an 8-year-old boy was left unconscious after touching a fallen power line, and another child tried but failed to save him, Sergeant Daniel Rose and Officer David Chapman, who were nearby, quickly rushed into danger to pull both children away from the electrified area.
Yeah. Blake, you know this gentleman too? Are they brothers? Everybody's radio down. Let's bring the car real quick because he could have huge.
Hey Blake, it's Mr. Schneider. You all right? All right.
212. Shut down the intersection.
Where do you guys want to go?
Going to St. County.
They transported the injured boy to the hospital in critical condition. After 5 months of treatment, he recovered. In September 2023, the two officers were awarded the Carnegie Hero Medal for their bravery.
Burnt out. I just blew out his pants, man.
On January 14, 2022, a fire broke out at the Qualco chemical plant in Passaic, New Jersey. Firefighting efforts were hindered by freezing weather conditions and the rapid spread of flames due to the plant's flammable chemicals. The fire quickly escalated to an 11-alarm blaze, requiring the assistance of over 200 firefighters from Essex and Bergen counties. One firefighter was injured but received timely medical treatment. The fire erupted at 8 p.m. and was fully contained by 9 a.m. the following day, leaving the 3-story building in ruins. The severe collision on Interstate 44 at the intersection with US Highway 169 in Tulsa on June 27, 2019, resulted in a massive fire. An overloaded pickup truck crashed into an overpass, spilling its cargo onto the roadway. This incident led to 2 other pickup trucks colliding with the debris, igniting a large fire with thick black smoke visible from afar. After an hour of battling the flames, the fire was brought under control. Fortunately, only a few minor injuries were reported and no serious damage was recorded. The Stockton, California Fire Department received a report of a fire at a 2-story home on Chatsworth Circle. Upon arrival, they found thick smoke billowing and intense flames inside, threatening to spread to neighboring houses. The fire crew immediately raised the alarm to a 2nd alarm level and called for reinforcements.
We're going right there.
Firefighters quickly deployed, working both to contain the fire inside and to protect the surrounding area. During the firefighting efforts, they discovered a dog trapped inside and rescued it just in time before the flames reached it. After relentless efforts, the fire was successfully brought under control with no reported injuries. On June 18th, a motorcycle shop was severely devastated by fire in St. Augustin, Germany. When the fire broke out at 11:18 a.m., firefighters arrived at the scene, but the situation quickly escalated, requiring the assistance of over 200 firefighting personnel. Unfortunately, 10 firefighters were injured and 2 lost their lives in the line of duty. After the fire was extinguished, heavy machinery such as excavators and bulldozers were deployed to aid in searching for trapped individuals and clearing the debris. The cause of the fire is still under investigation. In 1991, the city of Paterson, New Jersey, was forever marked by the devastating fire on January 17th. At the Mayor's Brothers department store. The fire began at 5:54 a.m. and quickly spread, forcing the fire department to deploy up to 400 firefighters to contain the blaze. Despite relentless efforts, the fire claimed the life of one firefighter, destroyed 15 stores and completely leveled the entire building, including nearby commercial structures. The densely populated neighborhood, home to approximately 140,000 people, suffered immense devastation, leaving a deep scar and an unforgettable loss for the city of Paterson. The Idaho Falls Fire Department worked tirelessly to extinguish a fire at a house. However, a dangerous situation arose when a man, believed to be the homeowner, was nearly trapped at the only exit, a small basement window, unable to escape. Firefighters had to use a chainsaw and specialized tools to break apart part of the house while continuing to fight the fire. Thankfully, the man was successfully rescued and only sustained a few minor injuries. In the early hours of December 19th, 2024, a church under construction at Haybecker Road, Lamont, California, suddenly caught fire. When firefighters arrived at the scene, the flames had engulfed the entire structure, causing the roof and walls to be burned and collapse. To control the fire department deployed a 100-foot ladder and sprayed water from above. Fortunately, no casualties were reported, and the cause of the fire is currently under investigation. At around 11 p.m. on January 13, 2025, the San Bernardino County Fire Department deployed over 16 fire trucks and 70 personnel to extinguish a large fire at the commercial building located at 100 South G Street. The flames erupted violently, quickly spreading to nearby buildings, causing significant damage. Throughout the firefighting efforts, heavy equipment was used to clear debris, allowing for better access and control of the blaze. The fire was brought under control after 2 hours. Around 6 p.m. on February 6, 2025, a SEPTA train carrying approximately 350 passengers caught fire while traveling from Philadelphia to Wilmington, Delaware. The incident occurred near the Crumlin station in Ridley Park, Pennsylvania. The fire broke out in the first car of the 6-car train, causing panic among the passengers and prompting an emergency evacuation. Fortunately, no serious injuries were reported. Firefighters quickly extinguished the fire, and the cause of the fire of the incident is under investigation. On May 5, 2019, a serious accident occurred at Sheremetyevo Airport in Moscow when an Aeroflot Sukhoi Superjet 100 (SSJ 100) experienced issues shortly after takeoff. The aircraft, flight number 1492, suffered an electrical system failure and was forced to return for an emergency landing. During the landing, flames erupted on the fuselage, creating a critical situation. Firefighters quickly arrived to extinguish the blaze and rescue passengers. The fire claimed the lives of 41 people, including 2 children, and left many others injured. The cause was determined to be a combination of technical failure and operational errors. While the family had safely escaped, the dog remained trapped inside. Without hesitation, Officer Calderon rushed into the dangerous area to save the animal. For his courageous act, he was honored with a Compassionate Action Award from PETA. On July 10, 2023, in Arvin, California, Officer Adam Calderon risked his life to rescue a dog from a fire in a mobile home. We have witnessed intense moments where heroes risked their lives to save others. If these stories and images have left a deep impression on you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Stay safe and see you next time.